In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set print size A5 in QuickBooks. If you want your invoices, sales receipts, estimates, or reports to print neatly on A5 paper, which measures 148 by 210 millimeters, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and what to look for. Start in QuickBooks by opening the specific transaction or report you want to print. This could be an invoice you've just created, a sales receipt you're sending with an order, an estimate you're sharing with a client, or a report you need to file. Once the page is open and looks the way you want, choose Print or Preview. This button is usually easy to spot on the screen and opens your computer or browser's print window so you can control how the page will come out on paper. When the print window appears, look for either printer properties or more settings. The wording can vary depending on your browser, operating system, and printer model, but the goal is the same. You're opening the detailed print options. In those options, find the field labeled paper size, open the dropdown, and select A5, which will typically show as 148 by 210 mm. If you don't see A5 listed, it often means the selected printer driver doesn't support that size, or the printer is set to a simplified list of paper sizes. In that situation, try switching to a printer that supports A5, or check your printer documentation for how A5 is enabled. It's also a good idea to make sure your printer's drivers are up to date, so all supported sizes appear correctly. Next, adjust the layout so your content fits the page cleanly. Choose the orientation that best matches your document design. Portrait is common for invoices and receipts, while some wider reports may look better in landscape. If the preview looks a little too large or too small, adjust the scale setting. A fit to page or 100% option usually works well, but feel free to nudge the percentage up or down until the preview fills the A5 page without cutting off headers, totals, or footers. Depending on your browser, you may also see options to include headers and footers. Turning those off can give your documents a cleaner, more professional look. Before you print, make sure A5 paper is loaded in the correct tray on your printer. A mismatch between the selected paper size and what's in the tray can cause misalignment or the printer to pause. Once everything looks right in the preview, click Print. Your document should now output perfectly on A5, ready to send, file, or share.